Hey, welcome to the drone episode. I'm hanging out with Jonathan Blackwood of My World Photography here in Lethbridge to take a look at his new Mavick Pro, hang out in the Lethbridge River Valley, get some footage, and talk about the future of drone photography in Canada. Stay tuned. So it's no secret that I have drone envy. When drones became accessible a few years ago, I thought, this is intense. As a kid growing up, my dad was really huge into remote controlled planes. And for me, my passion is photography. So when I saw that you could hang a camera in the sky and get ridiculously intense footage, I was all over that. I thought, sign me up. And a lot of my photography friends went out and dropped $3,000, $4,000 on some of the early drones and took some incredible footage. And for a creator, the options that were available were astounding. To throw a camera a couple hundred feet up in the air and get a perspective, that bird's eye view, that was really not attainable for anyone who had a limited budget. We started seeing tons of national park footage, areas of natural beauty and urban areas that we just hadn't been able to get that angle on before. So drones became a huge fad, and a ton of photographers I know went out and bought them. As time prevailed, aerial photography started creeping into every project, and I think a lot of that was attributed to photographers trying to find a use for this drone that they had invested in. Aerial photography started to become a little more generic, and photographers realized that drones were kind of a one-trick pony, and if you were a generalist, having a drone was okay, but probably everybody else had a drone too, and you weren't providing anything super unique or special. We started seeing people with a lack of common sense using drones. And we saw people buzzing wildlife in national parks and interrupting farmers and agriculture and herds, disturbing crowds and disturbing airport flight patterns. And it even spawned a ton of YouTube videos around fails. But Transport Canada is changing the rules. They've got to propose changes on their website in 2018. They're doing away with the special flight operation certificate, and they're sort of making it more common sense and simplified for everyone, although you do need to pass an online exam and register your drone in most cases.
The rules are the same across Canada and how you fly it, but we have a lot more room down here. So I encourage people, if you have a UAV, just go out and fly it. Just go out and have fun with it.